Here's the best of 2023 face primers. First, I'm going to share Exit Beauty. This is a splash zone primer. It's hydrating. It just really absorbs and locks in everything so that it has a good grip to have your makeup last all day. Here's the Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. I love this. It's hydrating. It also really helps keep your makeup in place. Here's my Youthforia PreGame Primer, my go-to. I love it. It helps protect against pollution and blue light filters as well. If you're oily or in like hot, humid weather, you want to try one size primer, Secure the Sweat. This is so good. It really does the job. I love using it, especially in the summer months or my T-zone area. Last but not least is Mally Beauty Face Defender. You can use it as a primer, or you can even use it to lock in all your makeup. I love this one because it literally blurs your skin. You look flawless and seamless. It is my go-to. It's always in my bag. So definitely try this out. I'm obsessed. These are my favorite primers of 2023. Let me know what your favorites are.